Hi there, and thanks for stopping by. I'm Shauna Lynn Simon, owner and founder of Beyond the Stage Homes, Kitchener-Waterloo's #1 choice for creating a marketable home ready for sale. Now, if you've never hired a home stager before, you might feel a bit intimidated by the home staging process. This is just one of the many reasons that our professional team of home stagers is #1. We help to make the process as easy as possible on you and ensure that you understand what is going to happen and when. Now, a lot of people think of home staging as the dramatic transformations, replacing all of your belongings with rented furniture, artwork, accessories, and more. And yes, we certainly can provide that service to you as well. But what you may not realize is that most home staging services are actually designed to work with your items whenever possible. Recommendations may be made to add some new items, but there is a lot that happens before we even get to that. So, how does it work? Well, step 1, you need to schedule your home staging consultation. All of our services begin with a home staging consultation where we will meet with you at the home to do a full and complete evaluation of the home. Now, we always recommend that this consultation takes place prior to listing your home on the market for sale, and allow yourself at least a few days from the time of the consultation to scheduling the photos for MLS in order to allow you the time needed to complete any work recommended. Now, your home stager will meet with you to review the home for approximately 2 hours. Again, this is a very thorough evaluation. During that time, they'll answer any of your questions, and there is no need to take any notes. In fact, you will receive a written report complete with all of our recommendations immediately following the home staging consultation. Now, if you feel that you need some visual representation of any of our recommendations, simply ask and we'd be happy to send you a follow-up email with some images as well. Now, if you need some work done on the home, we're happy to provide you with the names of reputable suppliers and trades that we know and trust and work with on a regular basis. And these are provided only to our clients. We don't receive any kickbacks. There's no strings attached to using them. Now, if we recommend adding any items to the home, we're happy to provide you with pricing for renting from our quality home staging inventory of items. We can also give you some guidelines for purchasing these items yourself if you think you might be able to use them in your next home. I assure you that we will not make any recommendations that we do not feel 100% will contribute towards a positive outcome in the sale of your home. If you need a little extra help getting the house ready, maybe you need an extra couple of hands, we can help with that too. We're great at packing, reorganizing. Need your furniture moved? We can bring in our skilled moving team to help you to rearrange the furniture within your home. Now, the absolute last and final step is the styling of the home. And this is the finishing touch that really helps to showcase all of the hard work that you've put into preparing the home for sale. Now, this doesn't happen until all of the work has been completed. So this means moving any furniture around that needs to be moved, removing any items we've recommended, taking care of all cleaning and all necessary repairs before we can return with your home staging items. If we're bringing some items in to help to style the home, we will ask you to sign a contract outlining the scope of the work to be provided and the terms of your service. This helps to protect everyone involved as well as set the expectations for all parties. As well, we may require a down payment for services prior to returning with our staging items. Now, whether all you need is the home staging consultation or if you need some additional staging help, we are a part of your home selling team for the duration of the process. Don't be afraid to send us photos of your progress as you work through our recommendations, or let us know any feedback that you receive from buyers once your house has been listed. We will keep in touch with you throughout, and we are happy to assist in any way that we can. Now, feel free to check out some of our previous work at www.beyondthestagehomes.com. Your home stager looks forward to meeting with you. Book your home staging consultation by emailing us at info@btshomes.com or give us a call at 226-240-0766 and make us a part of your winning team. Thank you and happy home selling.